Gentlemen, let's be real for a moment. Society often acts like masturbation is something you're supposed to grow out of when you leave your teenage years behind. But let me tell you the truth as a doctor. Self-pleasure is not just some adolescent activity. It's a powerful natural tool for maintaining sexual health, reducing stress, boosting testosterone, and keeping blood flowing where it matters most, especially after age 50. If you're over 50 and you've noticed that erections don't feel as strong, orgasms take longer, or your desire is sometimes up and sometimes down, masturbation done the right way can actually retrain your body, restore confidence, and even improve performance with your partner. But, and this is a big but, if you're doing it the wrong way, you can actually cause numbness, delayed ejaculation, or even damage your sensitivity over time. That's why today, I'm going to walk you step by step through the hidden benefits of masturbation after 50 most men don't even know about, the most common mistakes older men make that kill sensitivity and performance, how to masturbate correctly to maximize pleasure and protect your erections, how often is actually healthy at this stage of life, and when too much becomes a problem, and finally my doctor's takeaway so you leave with confidence, clarity, and a plan. This is going to be one of the most important conversations you'll ever hear about your sexual health, so let's dive in. Section 1. The benefits of masturbation after 50. Masturbation has been demonized for centuries. Old myths told men that touching themselves would make them go blind, lose their masculinity, or weaken their erections. The truth, science shows the complete opposite, especially for men over 50. Benefit number 1. Improved blood flow. One of the biggest causes of erectile dysfunction in older men is poor circulation. When you stimulate yourself, blood flow surges into your penis, stretching tissues and keeping them flexible. Think of it like going to the gym. If you stop using a muscle, it weakens. The penis is no different. Regular erections, whether from a partner or solo, keep things strong. Benefit number 2. Testosterone regulation. Studies show that sexual activity, including masturbation, can help regulate testosterone levels. When you ejaculate, your body temporarily lowers stress hormones like cortisol. Lower cortisol equals higher testosterone. And guess what? Testosterone is the hormone that keeps you feeling like a man, strong, confident, and sexually alive. Benefit number 3. Better sleep. Many men over 50 struggle with insomnia or restless nights. Orgasms trigger the release of prolactin, oxytocin, and serotonin, chemicals that relax your body and help you drift into deep sleep. That's why some men say masturbation before bed is like nature's sleeping pill. Benefit number 4. Prostate health. Here's a major one. Frequent ejaculation has been linked in several studies to a lower risk of prostate issues, including prostate cancer. When you ejaculate, you're essentially flushing the prostate, clearing out old fluids and toxins that can build up. Benefit number 5. Stress relief and mood boost. At this stage of life, stress from work, family, or health concerns is real. Masturbation is not just a release of semen, it's a release of tension. The brain floods with dopamine and endorphins, making you feel calmer, happier, and more grounded. Benefit number 6. Sexual confidence. When you practice with yourself, you stay in tune with your body. You learn what still feels good, how your sensitivity has changed, and how to pace yourself. This knowledge translates directly into better intimacy with your partner. Now, while masturbation has all these benefits, there's a catch. Most men are doing it wrong. And doing it wrong, especially after 50, is like exercising with bad form. Instead of strengthening yourself, you're setting yourself up for injury. Section 2. Common mistakes men over 50 make. Here's where a lot of guys sabotage themselves. Let's talk about the most dangerous habits men over 50 fall into when it comes to masturbation. Mistake number 1. Death grip syndrome. This is when you grip your penis so tightly that your body gets used to an intensity real sex can't match. Over time, this desensitizes your nerves, making it harder to climax with a partner. Think of it as training your body the wrong way. Mistake number 2. Rushing through it. Many older men rush masturbation, like they're trying to beat a clock. This habit wires your brain to associate sex with speed and anxiety, leading to premature ejaculation. Mistake number 3. Porn overload. Excessive porn use overstimulates dopamine pathways in your brain. The result, you need more extreme stimulation to get aroused. Without porn, your erections feel weaker. Your brain essentially becomes numb to real intimacy. Mistake number 4. Ignoring lube. As testosterone drops, natural lubrication in your body decreases. Masturbating dry can cause micro tears in penile skin, reducing sensitivity and even leading to discomfort. Mistake number 5. Overdoing it. Yes, masturbation is healthy, but too much can drain energy, lower motivation, and leave you with weaker erections. Balance is key. Mistake number 6. Bad positioning. Some men only masturbate in one position, like lying face down or sitting slouched. This trains your body to expect only that position, making it harder to perform in real-life situations. The bottom line, if you've been guilty of any of these, don't panic. You can retrain your body. That's exactly what I'll show you next. Section 3. How to masturbate the right way. Okay, let's fix this. Here's how to masturbate in a way that keeps your erections strong, your sensitivity sharp, and your confidence high. Step 1. Set the environment. Don't rush. Treat this like self-care. Dim the lights, relax, maybe play music. If you're stressed, your erection will struggle. Step 2. Use lubrication. Always use lube after 50. It prevents skin irritation, keeps sensitivity intact, and actually makes the experience more pleasurable. Step 3. Slow down. Instead of rushing to finish, focus on sensation. Stroke slowly. Explore different grips. Let arousal build gradually. This rewires your brain away from performance anxiety. Step 4. Try edging. This is one of the best techniques for older men. Bring yourself close to orgasm, then stop. Let your arousal cool, then start again. This builds stamina, boosts blood flow, and makes your eventual orgasm stronger. Step 5. Switch it up. Experiment with different hand motions, pressure levels, and rhythms. This keeps your nerves engaged and prevents desensitization. Step 6. Engage the whole body. Don't just focus on your penis. Stimulate your thighs, chest, even your perineum, the area between your testicles and anus. This activates more nerves and increases pleasure. Step 7. Breathe. Most men hold their breath. Instead, breathe deeply. Oxygen fuels your erection. With each inhale, blood flow improves. Step 8. Finish mindfully. When you orgasm, don't just collapse. Notice how your body feels. This awareness strengthens your connection to your own arousal, which carries into partnered sex. Think of masturbation not as a guilty habit, but as sexual training. Done right, it's the ultimate erection workout. Section 4. Frequency. How much is healthy? Expanded. This is one of the most common questions I get from my male patients over 50. Doctor, how often should I masturbate? Is there a magic number? The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer, but there are patterns, and science does give us clues. The science on frequency. Several studies have shown that men who ejaculate 21 times or more per month have a lower risk of prostate cancer compared to those who do it less often. That's roughly 5 times per week. But here's the nuance. Not every man feels energized by that level of frequency, especially after 50. Think quality over quantity. It's not just about how often you do it, but how you do it. If you're rushing through porn-fueled sessions daily, that's not healthy. But if you're practicing mindful, slow, body-aware masturbation, even 2 to 3 times a week, you're actually building sexual resilience. Signs. You're overdoing it. You feel drained after orgasms. Erections are weaker the next day. You lose interest in partnered sex. You experience flatline, no morning wood, low drive. Signs: you're at the right frequency. You feel relaxed and satisfied after release. Erections are strong and consistent. Your mood and energy stay balanced. You look forward to sex instead of feeling drained. A simple rule of thumb: if masturbation leaves you feeling stronger, more confident, and more in tune with your body, you're at the right frequency. If it leaves you feeling tired, numb, or unmotivated, scale it back. Remember, the goal isn't to chase numbers, it's to support your erections, your prostate, and your overall vitality. Section 5. My Doctor's Takeaway, Expanded. Gentlemen, if there's one thing I want you to walk away with, it's this: masturbation after 50 isn't about guilt, boredom, or just getting it over with. It's about sexual longevity. Your sexual system is like your heart or your muscles. You need to use it wisely to keep it strong. Here are my core takeaways as a doctor. Don't stop, adapt. Many men think aging means giving up on self-pleasure. Wrong. It just means doing it smarter, slower, more mindful, with lube, and with awareness. See it as training. Think of masturbation as a rehearsal for intimacy. The stamina you build, the awareness of your body, and the confidence you gain directly translate to partnered sex. Guard against guilt. I've had patients in their 60s whisper to me, "Doc, I still do it. Is that bad?" No, that shame is cultural, not medical. Science shows it's beneficial. The only bad masturbation is the kind that leaves you numb, drained, or disconnected. Watch your lifestyle. Diet, exercise, sleep, and stress all affect erections. Masturbation can't fix poor circulation or high blood pressure, but it can enhance everything else you're doing for your health. Prostate protection is real. Every time you ejaculate, you're essentially giving your prostate a flush. For men over 50, this is no small thing. It can literally save lives. So here's my prescription. Don't think of masturbation as something naughty. Think of it as one of the most natural, safe, and effective sexual health practices available to you. Section 6. Advanced Masturbation, Hacks for Men over 50. Now that we've covered the basics, let's go deeper into some next-level techniques to make masturbation after 50 not just safe, but transformative. Hack number 1. Kegel Power Boost. Most men think Kegels are for women, but men benefit too. Doing pelvic floor squeezes during masturbation strengthens the muscles that control erections and ejaculation. Over time, this gives you harder erections and better control in bed. Hack number 2. The warm-up. Don't go straight to stroking. Spend 5 to 10 minutes gently massaging your thighs, abs, and inner groin. This warms up circulation and makes erections fuller. Hack number 3. Use both hands. One hand for stimulation, one for exploring other erogenous zones, like your nipples, perineum, or even light scrotum massage. This keeps nerves awake and makes orgasms more explosive. Hack number 4. Try the start-stop method. Bring yourself close. Stop. Breathe. Let the arousal cool, then build again. This not only trains stamina, but also builds anticipation. When release finally comes, it's far more satisfying. Hack number 5. Engage the mind. Instead of relying on porn, close your eyes and visualize past experiences or fantasies. This strengthens your sexual imagination muscle, making you less dependent on external stimulation. Hack number 6. Temperature play. Use warm towels or cool compresses on different areas before or during masturbation. The temperature contrast stimulates nerve endings and heightens sensation. Hack number 7. Aftercare ritual. After orgasm, don't just roll over, stretch, hydrate, or take a warm shower. Treat masturbation as a full-body experience, not just a quick release. Hack number 8. Partner-inspired solo play. If you're married or in a relationship, Try masturbating as if you're with your partner. Same rhythm, same positions, same pacing. This keeps your solo sessions aligned with real intimacy. These hacks turn masturbation into something more than a release. They transform it into a tool for longevity, sensitivity, and yes, pleasure. With these expansions, the script now has Section 4, Deep Science plus Frequency Guide. Section 5, Doctor's Life-Changing Takeaway. Section 6, Advanced Hacks Men Can Actually Apply Tonight. Gentlemen, let me leave you with this. Your body may be older, but your desire for pleasure, intimacy, and vitality is timeless. Masturbation after 50 isn't about shame. It's about strength, confidence, and taking charge of your health. So the next time you think of it as just a release, remember this: you're training your body, protecting your prostate, boosting your erections, and keeping your sexual fire alive. Now it's your turn. Try some of the techniques I shared today. Slow it down. Make it mindful. Treat your solo time as an investment in your future self. And if this video opened your eyes, don't just keep it to yourself. Share it with a friend who might need this knowledge too. I'm Dr. Caroline Ruth, and here on Shades of Health, my mission is to help men over 50 rediscover their power, pleasure, and performance naturally. Until next time, stay strong, stay confident, and never stop taking care of the man you are.